Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to fix the Instagram blind feature not showing in your application step by step. So whether you are trying to start a blind with a friend or you just don't see the option anywhere, I have got some of the solutions for you. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, first of all, you need to understand the eligibility of this feature. So the blind feature on Instagram is currently being rolled out in phases and it may not be available to all the users or in all the regions yet. Also, your account needs to meet a few conditions like your app should be updated, you need to be at least 18 years old, and you must be using a personal or a creator account and not a business account. So to check your account type, you need to simply open your Instagram application, then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here, tap on the three lines here in the top right hand corner, then scroll down and try to find the option of settings and privacy. You can also just try to look at the account type and tools, and this is going to basically show you what type of account you are actually using. So currently, as you can see, that I'm using my creator account because this creator tools and control account is showing over here. So make sure that you are not set to the business account because this might block the feature first of all. Now, in the second step, you need to open your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here in the search bar, simply search for Instagram. Once you are able to find Instagram, if you tap on its icon, if you see this type of update written over here, simply tap on the update button and update your Instagram application to the latest version. Afterwards, you need to launch it and see if the blind feature is still under active development, or you can just try to get it in your Instagram account with this updation method. But as you can see over here, I have Instagram beta, so I have joined myself into the Instagram beta option, and you can do that too. Over here on this page, if you just scroll down a bit, you will see the option of beta. So simply tap on that option and wait for some time until you see the options of joining beta. After joining to the Instagram beta, within a day or two, you are going to see the update option over here. So you need to simply tap on the update option, and with this method also you can get the blend feature in your account. Now, you need to understand that the blind feature only works with the friends who are already marked as your close friends. Now, to check or add it, you need to simply just go to your profile. Over here, tap on the following button. You need to tap on add to close friends option over here and go to your DMs, and you can start opening the chat with them. Also check for the blind option at the top. If it is not showing here, you can try removing and re-adding them to the close friends and then relaunch the application. Sometimes the cached data prevents new features from showing up, so you can also just go into the Instagram app info. For that, simply long press on the Instagram app, then go to the app info section. Over here in your app info, you need to go to the storage usage, then tap on the option of clear cache and then press OK. So after clearing the cache, simply reopen the Instagram application and see if the blind appears in your DMs. If you are on iPhone, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the application instead of clearing the cache automatically. So this is how you can do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.